to knit the bird's eye edging stitch, English style. For this tutorial, you will need a pair of knitting needles. Special thanks to our sponsor Webb's for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their Northampton yarn from their Valley Yarns line in the color Lake Heather. For this stitch you'll need to know the following techniques: knit, purl, knit two together, yarn over. To begin this stitch, you must cast on 7 stitches. And just a quick note about this pattern, you're only going to want to count your stitches after the 4th row. Row 1. Beginning on the right side of our work, we're going to knit 1. Then we're going to knit 2 together. We're going to yarn over twice, so there's 1, 2. Then we are going to knit 2 together. This is only so hard because it's my cast on row. Then we will yarn over twice again, and we will finish by knitting 2. Row 2. We're going to begin by knitting 3. Okay, then we are going to purl 1, and we're purling into our yarn over here. Then we will knit 2, and purl 1 again, and then knit 2. So that was a purl 1 and knit 2 twice. We did that. Okay, then we'll turn our Row 3, we're going to begin by knitting 1. Then we're going to knit 2 together. Then we're going to yarn over twice and knit 2 together again. Then we will knit 4. Okay, then we'll turn our work. Row 4, we're going to begin by binding off 2 stitches. So I'm going to knit the first 2 stitches. Then we will slip the first one over the second. We'll do this one more time. Knit the next stitch and bind off the second stitch. Okay, now we are going to knit 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we will purl 1. So we're purling the second half of our yarn over here, and we'll finish up by knitting 2. Alright, so we're going to repeat these 4 rows until we've reached our desired length. And that's how you knit the bird's eye edging stitch. Want more New Stitch a Day? Check out our website at newstitchaday.com.